Hello guys, welcome to my timeline Kenya. My name is Musili Peter and we are in Mukima House Nanyuki. Today we will begin with a little history because Mukima House is older than most of us and history is part of its story. The Mukima Sanctuary was purchased by Thomas Lewin in the 1930s and he built this splendid home for his family. Later on in 1954, Joseph Mugambi bought this house from the family of Thomas after his passing. Mugambi's plan was to restore Mukima House and add a few modifications and then run it as a hotel. However, the restoration works did not go as planned and even part of the house was damaged. Mugambi was also unable to obtain a hotel operating license and he abandoned the project. Later on, he sold the property to a horticulture company in 2003 and the company started clearing the land but then realized that it was not suitable for farming and also abandoned the project. Then, Leslie Duckworth heard about the tragic story of Mukima and she visited the estate and felt a desire to revive it. She bought the estate and began transforming the 360-acre estate by planting a lot of trees and vegetation and restoring Mukima House. After a few years of hard work, Mukima officially opened its doors to the public in January 2006. Over the years, Mukima House has served hundreds of guests who come to relax, rejuvenate, and experience this sanctuary with a lovely backdrop of Mount Kenya. Unfortunately, Leslie left us in August 2020 and her daughter Anna and husband Sean took over the running of Mukima House. Since Mukima House opened its doors in 2006, it has only been receiving guests who rent out the whole house. In March 2024, Mukima House started its transformation into becoming a hotel and you can now book single rooms. There will be a lot of changes and additions to this estate, including a public restaurant over the course of this year, and by the time you visit, it might look different. However, today allow me to walk you through this amazing piece of history. We will begin our tour of Mukima House in this veranda, which is one of the main additions to the house that was initially built in the 1930s. This veranda has a lounging area, but it is mainly used for outdoor dining with views of Mount Kenya. On this right side of the house, we have an indoor dining area which comes with a fireplace and you can also enjoy some nice views of Mount Kenya from this room. On the left side of the house, we have the main lounge area. This is where guests can relax over a drink as they hold conversations and enjoy views of Mount Kenya. In between the indoor dining area and the lounge, we have the staircase leading to the first floor and doors to access all the other rooms on the ground floor. Mukima House has a courtyard which has a lot of plants and different sitting areas where guests can relax. Currently, Mukima House has 9 bedrooms, which are all ensuite. There are 3 bedrooms on the ground floor, and we will start our tour with the first 2, which are located on this wing of the house. This is the first bedroom, and it is very spacious. Most of the beds in Mukima House are larger than king-size beds, and this bedroom has one of those beds. This bedroom also has one of the largest book collections in Mukima. This is the second bedroom, which is also very spacious, and its bathroom comes with a bathtub. This bedroom also comes with a bed which is bigger than a king-size bed and has a sitting area facing the flower garden. On the opposite side of the courtyard, we have the third bedroom and the cinema. This cinema is the only place in the entire house where guests can watch TV. This is the third bedroom, and it is a replica of the second bedroom, and they share the same layout. We are now done with the ground floor, and we will proceed to the first floor. We have another lounge off the stairs, which is shared by the guests staying in the 5 bedrooms on this floor. Guests can also be able to enjoy views of Mount Kenya from this lounge. We have an outdoor deck off the lounge where guests can be able to enjoy views of the swimming pool, the lake, and Mount Kenya. We will now be checking out bedroom 4 and 5, which come with 2 beds each. This is the 4th bedroom, which is one of the smallest bedrooms in this house, and it comes with twin beds. This is the 5th bedroom, which comes with 2 double beds, and it is slightly bigger than the fourth bedroom. We will now move to bedroom 6 and 7, which are located on this wing of the house. This is bedroom 6, and it comes with those beds which are bigger than a king size bed and has a sitting area facing the garden. This is bedroom number 7, and it is also one of the smallest bedrooms in the house. There are 2 master bedrooms which are located on the front side of the house, and they enjoy views of Mount Kenya. We will start our tour with the smaller one. This master bedroom comes with a portrait of Thomas Lewin, who was the one who built this house, and it is placed above the fireplace. This is the second master bedroom, and it is the biggest bedroom in the house, and it is also the most strategic bedroom that enjoys the best views of the lake and Mount Kenya. The current charges of the rooms on bed and breakfast are $280 for the standard suites and $300 for the superior suites, which are the 2 master bedrooms. The house is still available for exclusive bookings for families and large groups. Activities that you can enjoy while staying at Mukima House include swimming and playing tennis on this court. You can also enjoy a free boat ride on the lake, and if you are lucky, you will be able to see some waterbucks grazing near the lake. There are other cottages in Mukima Estate, and last week I showcased this romantic lakeside cottage, and you should definitely go and watch that video after watching this one. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing hotel and Airbnb tours. See you on the next one.